Welcome back to Motor Vision, the place where classic style meets modern engineering. If you're passionate about cars that carry a legacy but move with the times, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a ride worth knowing about. Today we're diving into something truly special, a car that redefines retro elegance in the electric age. This is the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard it right. Volkswagen has brought back the legendary Karmann Ghia, the stylish, sporty coupe that originally made waves from the 1950s through the 1970s. But this time, it returns with a futuristic heartbeat. The 2025 model retains the soul of the original while embracing the cutting-edge technology and eco-conscious design of today. At first glance, you know you're not looking at just any EV. The body is instantly recognizable, with flowing lines, a low-slung silhouette, and a coupe form that echoes the original's Italian-German design heritage. Volkswagen has managed to keep the elegance intact while subtly modernizing every curve and angle. LED headlights with thin DRLs wrap into the fenders, giving it a sleek but confident presence. The rear features a minimalist light bar that stretches across, with a glowing VW emblem right in the center. It's nostalgic yet undeniably modern. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the body, is where things take a giant leap forward. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same architecture that underpins the ID series. That means it's fully electric. With a single or dual motor setup depending on the trim, the base model delivers around 210 horsepower, perfect for city cruising and spirited weekend drives, while the dual motor all-wheel drive version offers up to 320 horsepower for those wanting an extra jolt of performance. Range: expect around 280 to 300 miles on a single charge, thanks to an efficient 77 kWh battery pack. And with 175 kilo DC fast charging capability, you can go from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes. Volkswagen has made sure this isn't just a pretty face. It's a fully capable EV made for the real world. Slide into the interior, and you're greeted by a cabin that's a perfect harmony of retro inspiration and modern execution. The dashboard is clean, low profile, and driver-focused, with a large digital display seamlessly integrated behind a classic two-spoke steering wheel. The seats are wrapped in premium vegan leather, with a subtle stitch pattern that nods to the original model. Touch points are finished in brushed metal and matte wood inserts, creating a luxurious tactile experience. There's also a floating 12.9-inch touchscreen at the center, running Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, over-the-air updates, it's all there. But what's impressive is how none of this tech feels invasive. It blends so well with the cabin's timeless aesthetic. It's like stepping into the future without letting go of the past. Comfort and practicality haven't been ignored either. Despite being a coupe, there's decent room for two adults in the back, especially for short rides. The front offers generous legroom and headroom, with supportive seats that make long journeys a breeze. The rear trunk and the small front trunk provide enough cargo space for daily needs or a weekend getaway. Driving the 2025 Karmann Ghia is where the magic truly happens. Thanks to the low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery and perfectly balanced weight distribution, it offers a smooth, agile ride. The suspension has been tuned for sporty comfort, giving you just enough feedback without compromising on everyday usability. It corners flat, responds sharply, and most importantly, it brings a smile every time you hit the accelerator. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Volkswagen has gone all out. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous highway driving mode are all included. It's a car that looks like a dream but behaves with real-world practicality. Now, you're probably wondering about the price. The base model of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to start just under $40,000, making it a tempting option for those who want to own a piece of history with modern reliability. The top-tier performance trim may edge closer to $48,000, but considering what you're getting, iconic design, electric performance, and everyday usability, it feels like a fair deal. So why did Volkswagen bring the Karmann Ghia back now? The answer is simple. We're in an era where cars are becoming increasingly sterile, efficient, yes, but lacking emotion. The Karmann Ghia injects personality back into the conversation. It's proof that electric cars don't have to look or feel boring. They can be stylish, soulful, and deeply connected to the road and the driver. Whether you're an enthusiast who remembers the original, or someone who's discovering the Karmann Ghia name for the first time, this 2025 version offers something truly special. It's more than just a car. It's a beautifully engineered time machine, driving us forward by honoring the past. Thanks for riding along with us today on Motor Vision. If this blend of vintage beauty and futuristic technology impressed you, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that matter most. Until next time, keep your passion in drive.